Good morning and welcome to the Morning Coffee with John Plassard. Today I'm focusing on wearing masks. All 50 states began to reopen after the pandemic pushed the United States into lockdown in March. Now an increasing number of states have rolled back reopening plans and imposed new restrictions as local virus cases have spiked. The virus is spreading because not enough people are wearing a mask. While they have helped to save lives, lockdowns hit the US economy hard. Nearly 50 million Americans have filed for unemployment since mid-March. Many retailers went bankruptcy or closed their doors permanently. Latest studies estimate that lockdown efforts subtract 17% of US GDP between January and April. Other countries with more aggressive restrictions have seen even more significant economic impact. Going back into complete lockdown will be very damaging to the economy. The United States can't afford another lockdown. But as infection rate rise following a broad reopening, we need to find a solution to slow down the spread of the pandemic. Wearing a mask appears like the best solution since there is still no vaccine or effective treatment available. The problem is that wearing a mask is still not mandatory across the United States, as many Americans are refusing to wear a mask. Donald Trump is one of those. According to Goldman Sachs, a face mask mandate will meaningfully reduce the daily growth rate of new cases and save the US economy up to 5% of GDP instead of an additional lockdown that will hit US GDP. A national mask mandate could increase the percentage of people wearing a mask by 15% point and cut the daily growth rate of cases by 1 percentage point to 0.6%. The rule could replace a lockdown that would subtract nearly 5% of GDP growth. A study finds that if 80 to 90% of the population wears masks, the disease will ultimately be eliminated. But without masking, we could face a second wave in 4 or 5 months. This would mean more infection and more death, which in turn will cause a deeper recession. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Read my morning and keep on winning.